I, for a long time, have been critical of traders and investors in looking at these trade talks in isolation from the overall tensions in a relationship that has become much more about strategic competition than engagement. And so I think we're in a position where Trump was betting that the Chinese leader would have to make compromises because his economy is so fragile. The Chinese leader was betting that Trump would blink first because he needs a deal by 2020. And what we found out is these trade talks are about a lot more than trade. And so I think we really have to look at the underlying geopolitics between the two countries, which is getting more tense on the technology front, more tense in the South China Sea with freedom of navigation maneuvers. And so I think market analysts have to start becoming a little bit more experts at geopolitical risk.
Christine, how do you describe the state of U.S. China trade talks at the moment?
Yeah, I take Fred's point. It's true, there is a lot going on. Trade is a small part of the bigger picture. And also remember, you know, these days with the 24/7 news news cycle and a president who tweets very frequently about how he views things are going, it's all really out there in the open for us to see blow by blow. And, you know, years ago, this was all done behind closed doors. So and behind those closed doors, it wasn't uncommon for things to go up and down, you know, one step forward, two steps back. But we just didn't hear about it until it was all done. Nowadays, you hear every single thing, and so we're just getting a lot more noise.
Christine, how much damage to the U.S. economy will these extra tariffs have an effect of, and can the U.S. economy take it?
I do not know. So far, the U.S. economy has been weathering it pretty well. I mean, unemployment 3.6%. We haven't seen this since the late 60s. Consumer confidence very high. Outlook very strong. So far, it has not been a big problem. And even if we go up to 25% on a broad range of consumer goods, it doesn't look like it's going to derail the U.S. economy. I saw some numbers recently, $600 to $800 per family of four tops. That is, you know, $60, $70 a month. It's going to hit the lower income households more, but it doesn't seem like something that will derail the U.S. economy at this point.